Ethan was good at his studies, but he always carried a worry in his mind. He kept thinking, how can I become the best? How can I be successful in life? Will I ever be able to do something great? Day by day, Ethan became sadder. He didn't spend time with his friends and just sat quietly at home. Seeing this, his grandpa became very worried. One afternoon, while sitting in the garden, Grandpa called his grandson closer. "Ethan, why have you been so quiet these past few days? What are you thinking about so much?" Ethan replied, "Grandpa, I'm thinking about how to become the best in life. Everyone says I must be successful and achieve something great, but I don't understand. Which path will truly make me a good person?" Grandpa smiled softly. Then he picked up a pencil from the table and showed it to his grandson. "Ethan, look at this simple pencil. Do you know, hidden inside it are 5 important lessons about life? If you remember them, you can also be successful." Ethan looked surprised and asked, "A pencil? How can that possibly teach me anything, Grandpa?" Grandpa gave a gentle smile and said, "Listen carefully. The first lesson is, you can achieve great things, but sometimes you must allow others to guide you. A pencil cannot write on its own. It only works when someone holds it. In the same way, we also need guidance in life from teachers, parents, and friends. The second lesson is, a pencil needs to be sharpened from time to time. That sharpening hurts, but it makes the writing clearer. In the same way, life will bring you pain and challenges, but those struggles will make you stronger and better. The third lesson is, if you write something wrong with a pencil, it can be erased. In life too, you will make mistakes. But remember, mistakes are not the end. If you learn from them, you will become a better person." The fourth lesson is, the most important part of the pencil is the lead inside, not the wooden outside. In life too, a person's true value lies in their inner qualities: honesty, hard work, kindness, and integrity. The fifth lesson is, wherever a pencil is used, it leaves a mark. In life, you also should live in a way that leaves a positive impact on others. People should remember you for your good actions. Hearing these wise words, Ethan stayed quiet for a moment. Then a light of understanding shone in his eyes. He realized, to be the best, it's not about doing something grand, but about walking the right path, valuing inner qualities, and leaving a positive mark in life. Ethan said, "Grandpa, now I understand. To be the best, it's not the outer shine that matters, but inner strength and good deeds." Grandpa looked at him with loving eyes and said, "That's right, Ethan. Always remember, if we want, even a simple pencil can guide us in life.